All right, so you got to know how to price a home. I don't know what else to tell you about that. We have videos in here. I think I've done, I don't know how many videos, Jill, a million, on how to price a home. I've priced every single home. Let me teach you how fast it takes to price a home. How about that? That's what I'm gonna do for you. 1 second. Watch this. Who give me an address in Georgia? Anybody live in Georgia? You give me an address.
35. I'll give you one because it's just a deal that's out there. 35
Yeah.
Cub CUB Lane, Covington.
35 Cub Lane, Covington. Watch how easy it is. What time is it on your clock right now?
11:02.
All right, let me clear this out real quick. Let me get set up because I got some pre-set up stuff in my stuff. But let me clear this out real quick. I want y'all to time me in a second. This how let me get this 35 days off. This is my express offer setup I do. All right.
No basement.
Let me get this out. I don't want nothing in here. Okay. Control. Boom. All right. Make sure I have nothing checked. I want y'all to time me in a second. All right. I got everything cleared out. All right.
All right.
11:00. Who? Somebody break out their stopwatch. Who?
I got it right now. Let me know when to go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you have to take off the active.
Nah, this is how y'all open it up. All right. So look, before I'm gonna tell you when to start. Actually, don't worry. I'm getting ready to show you how fast you can price a home driving. You ready? All right, Ashley, ready, go. She said 35 Cub Lane. All I care about is closed. I don't care about active in the last 6 months. And there's 3 houses. Watch this. I chose the homes that under my criteria, I chose the homes a half a mile away. Why? Because that's what an appraiser is going to do. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What happened to my stuff? That's all right. Keep timing that. It ain't going to slow me down.